Okay, talking about question number 2. Remember, we did this. Talking about question number 2, we have this triangle, equilateral triangle. Therefore, alpha, which is in here, is going to be pi on 3. All lengths are equal. So express W in terms of L and theta. Here is W. So it's going to be, the length is L, cis theta plus pi on 3, because I'm looking at the angle from the real axis all the way around to W, so it's going to be pi on 3 plus alpha. If P represents a complex number which is midway from U to W, express P in polar form. So from U to W, P is going to be here. So it's going to be here. We're going to split this 60 degrees. So this is going to be pi on 6 plus theta. And working out the length, it's going to be based on the right angle triangle, root 3L on 2. Express P to the 12 in this form. Well, I know what P is, it's this. So I'm now going to raise it to the power of 12. So the magnitude, I raise to the power of 12, and I times the angle by 12. Remembering that I need to change the angle back into the domain. So we've got 12 theta plus 2 theta, 2 pi. Plusing 2 pi makes no difference, so that's where my 12 theta comes from. And raising this to the power of 12, on a calculator I've got 729 on 4096, and this here happens to be u to the power of 12, which is where the form that was requested comes from. Show that w divided by u is going to be equal to this, so I've used the cis form, and then by the rules of dividing complex numbers in cis, we divide the magnitudes and we take the top angle minus the bottom angle, and then we end up with this, then expanding using pi on 3. In part D, we need to use the answer from the previous bit, and I've set up expansion so that we can equate left and right together. Expand on a case, put in simultaneous equations, and that comes up with the answer.